Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your enrollment status with University of Phoenix, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your enrollment status with the University of Phoenix, begin by accessing the official University of Phoenix website. Log into your student portal using your user ID and password. Once logged in, locate the Student Services tab on the main menu. Click on Enrollment to view your current enrollment status. If you are not enrolled or wish to change your status, find the option labeled Re-enroll or Change Enrollment Status. Read through the requirements and conditions for resetting your status. Select the program you wish to enroll in or switch to. Fill out any necessary forms or online applications presented. Review your personal information to ensure its accuracy. Submit your re-enrollment application. After submission, check your email for confirmation and any additional instructions. If your application is approved, you will receive new enrollment details. If you encounter issues, contact student support via the support tab in your portal. Be prepared to provide your student ID and a brief explanation of your situation. Follow up if you do not receive a response within a few business days. Once your status is reset, log back into your portal to review your enrollment schedule. Make note of important dates, such as start times for classes and registration deadlines. Stay proactive about meeting with your academic advisor to discuss your academic plan. Monitor notifications for any changes or updates regarding your enrollment status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.